Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a no-sew sock snowman. This craft is a perfect holiday activity for you to do with your kids. It's easy and turns out super cute. First, we'll tell you what you need to make your snowman. You need rice, a hot glue gun, 2 rubber bands, a short piece of ribbon, a spoon, a white sock, a colorful sock, 3 buttons, and 3 small pom-poms. First, you'll begin by scooping the rice into the white sock using the spoon. Once you've filled your sock with rice, it should look something like this. Now we'll take our rubber bands and make the body and the head shape. The loose part of the sock will be the top that will tie off. Oops. Next, we'll cinch it in the middle and make the head and body. And you can just do some adjustments with the rubber band to get the head shape how you'd like it. Then, depending on the size of sock you grabbed, you can cut off some of this excess material because it'll be hidden by the snowman's stocking hat. From here, we're going to add his scarf. We'll use the small ribbon that we chose at the very beginning. You'll just tie it around the snowman and adhere it with a small piece of glue. We also have a little extra ribbon, and we'll use the scissors to shorten that as well. Next, we'll add the stocking cap. We'll take our colorful sock, roll it a few times, and place it on the snowman's head. Next, we'll glue on the buttons and his face. The buttons will be on his body, and we'll just glue 3 vertical buttons. Now for the eyes and the nose, we have the small little pom-poms. Sweet and simple, your snowman is ready for winter. We hope you enjoy making this craft, and be sure to check out our website, goldiesocks.com, for fun matching socks for families. Thanks for watching, and remember, make your family a close-knit family.